Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is freezing today, but the SC needs an interior detail real bad, so that's what we're going to do. Also, we're going to talk about the LED conversion I did on the tail light. Let's go!
Alright, so this is the interior, and it obviously looks used, but it's in great condition being that it's 24 years old. I'm going to be vacuuming and shampooing the carpets, using a cleaning conditioner on the plastics, and using a leather cleaning conditioner on the seats. I just vacuumed, but it's still pretty gross in there. Currently, I have halogen bulbs in my taillights, and I'm going to be replacing them with these Bright Shine LEDs and this load resistor to prevent hyperblinking on the turn signals. Cleaning this isn't necessary, but I'm anal like that. And we have hyperblinking. Time to install the load resistor. I'll include the tutorial I followed in the description. After installing it, no more hyperblinking.
Alright, well that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, holla at your koala, I'm out.